Lunges. Lunges are an incredibly effective, versatile exercise that you can do anywhere, no matter your fitness level.
Instructions.
You should begin with one leg out in front of you at a distance that will allow you to perform a lunge comfortably. Hold your arms out to your sides if you need the extra balance. You should descend as straight down as you can rather than moving forward. Make sure that your front knee is behind the toes of your front foot. Both knees to create 90-degree angles with your legs. Also be careful not to touch your rear knee to the floor. Maintain your chest up and keep your head up when you lower yourself. Press both your feet through the ground to stand back up. The entire movement should be performed slowly and with control. Repeat all the repetitions on one side, then switch side and repeat. Keep your core engaged and your back straight for stability during the entire movement. Focus on a point at eye level to maintain your equilibrium.
Connected muscles.
Rectus femoris, vastus lateralis, soleus, gluteus maximus, vastus medialis, adductor magnus, soleus.
Breathing.
Inhale as you lunge down. Exhale when you come up.
Common mistakes.
Let your knee extend beyond the toes of your leading leg. Let your rear knee rest on the ground. Lean backwards. Lean forwards.
Orthographic views. Recommended repetitions.
Beginners should start with 2 to 3 sets of 10 to 12 repetitions per leg for bodyweight lunges. And aim for 3 to 4 sets of 15 to 20 repetitions per leg. In addition to your lunges, you can add external resistance to your workout by using a barbell or dumbbells. Select a weight that will allow you to complete 12 to 15 lunges per leg for 3 to 4 sets.